Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.5 mark, which is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And having seen the formation of that first wave and also seen a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And to also confirm that we are seeing an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding above the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.4838 mark, which is enough confirmation of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.5713 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. So the area at around the $0.5713 mark is my minimum target area in the formation of this wave 3. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to keep an eye on. And the first one is that we need to continue holding above the wave 1 high, which at the time of this recording we are doing so. We also need to continue holding above our key area of support at around the $0.5 mark. And as long as we hold above them, and also maybe the 20-day MA both on the 1 hour chart and also on the 4 hour chart, there are high chances that Fantom is going to continue gearing up and fully maximize our target area at around the $0.57 mark, which is our minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Fantom chart, and also giving you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Fantom chart, basing it on this Elliot structure that is right here in yellow, where you can see that we bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2 within this yellow target area. And having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that higher Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. And as a result of this micro Elliott wave count, you can now see that I have this Elliott wave structure right here in blue, which is the fractal wave within the formation of that wave 3, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and my primary scenario is that we are seeing the formation of this wave 3 before we can see that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3. And since we are seeing the formation of this wave 3, which is also impulsive, that's the reason as to why you can see I have another micro Elliott wave count in red within the formation of this wave 3, expecting the formation of this wave 5 to give us the high for that wave 3. And the micro Elliott wave count right here in red, which has just given me my short-term scenarios, having my targets at around the $0.57 mark as the bare minimum, that is a fractal wave within the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 61 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.